I am Nangrepi Prayoga.
We are students of the Civil Engineering Study Program at Garut Institute of Technology.
Today we are going to present the result of our field observation at Pamoyanan Resident.
So, let's take a closer look at the construction project.
Pamoyanan Resident is a commercial housing development project location in Sukagali, Tarogong Kidul, Garut Resident.
We constructed our field observation on Saturday, July 11, 2026 at around 1 p.m.
The purpose of our observation was to study the construction progress from a civil engineering perspective.
We focus on the building structure, necessary work, construction materials, equipment, temporary supports, and occupational safety. During our observation, we found that several housing units were being constructed at the same time.
The project was mainly in the upper structure and raw architectural stage.
We got cornice, reinforced concrete, columns, beams, construction slab, and brick walls.
Some part of the building were still using timber formwork and bamboo support.
The internal access road were already paved with concrete blocks.
This helped working to move construction material more easily around the project area.
Okay,
Next. From a civil engineering perspective, the building used around first concrete structural system.
The main structural elements include columns, beam, and concrete slab.
For the walls, the project used red clay brick with cement and sand mortar.
Most of the walls were still exposed because plastering and finishing work had not yet been complete.
At this stage, quality control is very important.
The worker and supervisors should check the alignment of the walls, structural dimension, reinforcement, and the position of doors and windows.
Okay, next.
We are also observed several construction materials used on site.
This include Portland cement, celopang sand, red clay, brick, reinforcing steel, timber, bamboo, and water.
Based on the field information, 10 mm reinforcement bars are used for the floor slab.
Meanwhile, 10 mm and 8 mm bar are used for the practical column.
The construction workers also use simple equipment such as bucket, saw, hose, trowels, measuring tapes, spirit level saws, and hammer.
Timber and bamboo are widely used for the formwork and temporary support. Okay, next. However, one of the most important findings from our observation was related to occupational safety.
We observed that personal protective equipment was not constantly used by the workers.
Some workers mainly use safety boot.
However, safety helmets, reflective face, and fall protection equipment were not always visible.
This is especially important because some workers were working at height.
Without proper safety equipment, there's a higher risk of falls, falling objects, and occupational injuries.
Therefore, safety control should be important through daily safety inspection and toolbox meeting. Okay, next.
Another problem identified during our field observation was the limited supply of sand.
Based on our field interview, several quarry operation had been temporarily suspended because of listening issue.
This situation may affect concrete, masonry, and plastering work.
To reduce construction delay, the project should find alternative listener.
Suppliers?
Yeah.
Okay. The project should also prepare a weekly material demand, forecast, and maintain a protected buffer stock.
We also found construction material and debris near circulation route.
Improved housekeeping and clear materials storage zones can make the construction area safer and more efficient.
Okay, next. In conclusion, the Pameran Resident project is actively processing through the infrastructure and route architectural stage.
The main construction elements were obsessed were reinforced concrete structures, brick masonry, timber formwork, and bamboo support.
However, important are still needed in equal safety, quality control, temporary support.
And material management, right?
Yeah.
Through this observation, we learned that civil engineering is not only about building structure.
It is also about safety, quality, planning, and solving problems in the field.
Okay guys, thank you for watching our observation video. See you next
time.
time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.